All right. So now we're going to back to the geometry section. So geometry X8, which is finding probabilities using two-way frequency tables. So let's go to geometry and go down to X8. All right, so a two-way frequency table is going to show us all the possibilities of two events happening. Okay, so a journalist has headed a crossword puzzle competition which attracts contestants from different countries. The competition ends when a contestant has accurately completed 5 different crossword puzzles. For his story, the journalist recorded the home country and final score of each contestant. The probability that a randomly selected contestant is from Argentina and scored exactly 85 points. So we have 85 points in Argentina. It looks like 4. Well, again, it's going to be 4 out of the total. Well, let's add them all together. 4, 8, 10, 14. It'd be 4 out of 14, but that's not reduced. So we got to divide top and bottom by 2 to make that 2 sevenths. Hazel is a sandwich maker at a local deli. Last week, she tracked the number of peanut butter and jelly sandwiches ordered, noting the flavor of jelly and type of peanut butter requested. So we have creamy versus chunky and strawberry versus grape. So it's probably that a randomly selected sandwich was made with chunky peanut butter and strawberry jelly. So we have chunky and strawberry. That would be, it looks like 4. How many total do we have here? We have 8, 14, 16. So we have 4 out of 16. 4 out of 16, which is reduced to 1/4. Let's get away from this, see if we can get to something a little bit harder. The or is going to be the difference here. So how do we read this when we're dealing with an or? Logan, a soup chef at a new restaurant, kept track of the first week's soup sales. So we have split pea and chicken noodle, and we have cup versus bowl. It's probability that randomly selected soup was split pea or it was ordered in a cup. So if I look at split pea, it looks like it was 10. Okay, so we have 10 split pea. How many ordered in a cup? We have 9. But again, that 6 is repeated here. So the 3 boxes we're dealing with here, because we don't care about the chicken noodle bowl, we only care about split pea or in a cup. So I add the 3 together. 6 and 4 is 10 plus 3 is 13. So that'd be 13 out of 15 because we have 15 total choices here. So 13 out of 15. Again, focusing on the or here. Evan is a pediatrics nurse who conducts the first neonatal exam on newborn patients. He makes a note of the newborn's height, weight, eye color, and heart rate, among other things. What is the probability that a randomly selected baby has blue eyes or has a fast heart rate? Okay, so blue eyes looks like it would be these 2 boxes. Fast heart rate would be these 2 boxes. So I add these 3 together. 3, 6, 7. So that would be 7 out of the total. So 6, so it looks like we have 10. So 7 out of 10. And that's it. So any questions, please let me know.